Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website voltagetechnologies.com. I'm on the home page and I really like the free shipping information, very clean design, minimum header area, menu ad in the corner, which is perfect. I would just add, maybe show one of your products here in the hero image and tell in a tagline what you're selling instead of mention your brand name again. It is too vague. It doesn't really give any information as to what is your niche, what you're offering, whether you're selling something, whether you're offering services. So make sure to be more specific. Don't be too vague. I haven't even seen what you're selling, so this is a fresh eyes of a brand new customer. That's why this is the first impression people will have from your website. And if I landed on the website like that, if I didn't know what it is, it feels like you leave me all the hard work to find out what you're selling, whether it's for me, whether it's not for me. So don't confuse your visitors. Make sure to be straightforward. Tell right away what you're selling. And the link to your products, link to your collections, much better for sales, much better for conversion rate. Okay, below I can see that you're selling magnetic USB charger, which I'm not sure how it relates to this kind of nature product. I thought maybe you're selling outdoor items, outdoor equipment, camping gear. So think about how it really relates. If if it's not closely related, it just doesn't make sense, doesn't improve your conversion rate. I would also rename featured product to something more SEO friendly, such as magnetic USB charger, which is more specific and more helpful to Google to decide where to put you, which kind of results to put you in. Okay, but I like the video. I can see that it's magnetic, that it is that it is easy to use, so I can see how to use it, which is perfect, really explanatory video. I'm not sure why it takes a little space. You should make it full width like here, and embed it within the image, because I understand it's just sourced through Giphy, so it's not even your product, just sourced. So think about sourcing or creating your own video that you can upload at a full width. It will give you more authentic feel, more quality, and it will build trust. I'd also optimize this hero image again, link to your product, link to your collection, so people can click and buy. It is much better for your conversion rate this way. Okay, but the other images are nicely optimized, very good quality images, really nice. The photo looks great. I would just add maybe like a color background so it stands out from the white background, and add your social media links here as well. I really like your return policy, so people can request a refund within 30 days without return the item. So this is really nice, really user friendly. It will help you build your excellent customer service, which is really good. Okay, on the shipping delivery page, you are straightforward that the items are shipped from China, which is good, so people know that the delivery time will be longer. So I'm glad that you are straightforward. I'm not sure why it's such a long processing time. It definitely can affect your sales, because if someone orders from AliExpress, the items are shipped often the same day, and they're delivered the next day, or they're delivered within 7 days when they are shipped from China. So think about improving this kind of relations with your dropshipper, with your supplier, with someone who processes those orders. 3 to 5 days is really kind of non-acceptable these days. 3 to 5 days is something people expect to wait for the delivery, not for the item to be shipped from the supplier and then wait for the additional delivery. So 30-70 days, business days for international orders, which is anywhere outside of China. This is what? This is over 2 months, 3 months. business days, Monday to Friday. So it's what? Um, yeah, so it's 13 weeks, isn't it? 13 weeks is what? Over 3 months. Um, yeah, this is not something that people are likely to wait for the charger 3 months. If someone orders charger, they want it immediately. You know, phones phones break after 3 months. So yeah, think about from customer perspective. If I wanted a charger, I wouldn't be happy to wait 3 months for it to arrive. It just doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense for this type of product. If it was for a different product, for a piece of furniture, for a sofa, even for a sofa, 3 months, yeah, it just doesn't make sense. Think about sourcing and finding another supplier. This just, yeah, I don't see it viable as a long-term business. The collection page looks great. The images are nicely cropped, so it looks very, very professional. I really like that. The product page looks really unique. The price are attractive. Add to cart is above default. Titles are SEO friendly, which is great. I would just write unique product descriptions because it's a sure giveaway sign. You're drop shipping. I mean, you're not hiding that you're drop shipping. However, unique product descriptions will give you advantage when it comes to SEO with a duplicate content, which will help you stand out in the Google search results a little bit better. If you've got the same images, if you've got the same content, just doesn't really give Google plenty of information to put you ahead of other dropshipping stores. So think about optimizing your content better. Use unique product descriptions as well. Your SEO score is 44 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. Your Google snippet is not optimized, so make sure to optimize your meta title and meta description for every page because it's really, really important. Work on your keyword consistency, so make sure to rank for your target keywords in the written content. You need more content on the website, ideally through unique product descriptions, more pages, more blog posts, and obviously remember to optimize all images with alt tags. Work on your URLs, make them SEO friendly and descriptive. Also connect your Google Analytics. It's a great free tool to track your traffic and see where your visitors are coming from. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.